Hey, guess what? It's Friday, and this is your Morning Jolt. I have 3 things you need to know to end your market trading week on a high note. First up, a little around the horn. AT&T CEO Randall Stephenson, he was at the Wells Fargo conference yesterday afternoon. He came out very bullish on TV, and I get it. He just closed in his Time Warner deal. But I think this comment's a little, I don't know, goofy. Let's see what he's got here. AT&T, Randall Stephenson, and Wells Fargo. Quote, we actually think we'll be growing TV subs over the next couple of years. Yeah, I hear you, my man. I question that because obviously you see the movement towards streaming. You see companies like Roku going through the roof. But look what has happened to Netflix. Netflix's stock is up about 110% this year. This week alone, I believe we saw 3 aggressive upgrades. One company calling out a $500 price target for this company. So either Mr. Market is completely wrong on Netflix or Randall Stephenson is wrong. You can't have Netflix's stock up here and comments like very bullish on the outlook for TV from Randall Stephenson on the other side. My view, I think Netflix is the winner here, clearly. I mean, come on. TV? Who's watching TV? Broke millennials have no money. They're not paying for TV. What else we got? PayPal. This company has made its 2nd straight deal this week, plunking down $120 million for a fraud prevention company. Shout out to PayPal CEO Dan Schulman. I talked to him about a month ago for my Morning Jolt podcast, and he's doing everything he said in that 25-minute podcast. Check it out on SoundCloud. They're putting cash to work. They're widening their lead over rivals. Dan Schulman, I mean, the guy is just a top-flight CEO. What else we got? The big story of the day is how absolutely lame this market looks. We're not getting a snapback rally. We're not getting a lot of enthusiasm out there after the market's taken a drubbing the past couple sessions. You're still seeing a little bit of weakness in some of the FANG stocks. I don't know. You know what it's as lame as? The new Chevy Blazer. That got unveiled last night. GM, I don't know what you were thinking, but the Blazer was an 80s icon. My dad had one. It was really retrofitted with every cool accessory at the time. What GM unveiled last night is essentially a rounded mid-size SUV family hauler. GM, I mean, you got to step it up. The Blazer had identity. It said, you want to own me, not a Ford Bronco. Come on, it looks so lame. Lastly, I'll leave on this names on the street. I'm sitting down with BlackBerry CEO John Chen a little later on today. The company came out with better than expected earnings in the morning. Listen, Chen has done a phenomenal job too. I mean, he has repositioned BlackBerry as a play on the future of cars, the connected car, but also security. And that was one of the stronger parts of BlackBerry's business in the quarter. They beat on revenue, they beat on earnings. I have no idea why BlackBerry stock is down about 13% this year going into the earnings, but I suspect it will get a strong bid off of these results. Longer term, I think BlackBerry is a business that's going to be owned by Microsoft, Nvidia, SoftBank. I'm just saying. Be sure to sign up for the Morning Jolt newsletter down here. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.